Hello and welcome to our channel. Learn at 7:30 p.m. with your friend. Quadratic equations part 3 represent in mathematical equation exercise 4.1. Before watching this video, ensure that you have watched part 2. Let's begin. Represent the following situations in the form of a quadratic equations. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. First question. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 square meters. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So I think we have already discussed one of the questions like this in the very beginning. Okay, so what is given? The area of a rectangular plot is 528 square meters. So here you can see the figure here. So let us consider this is the area, this is the rectangular plot, and it's given that area is 528 square meters. 528 square meters or meter square. Now, the length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. So, the length is depending on its breadth. So, let us consider the breadth is equal to, say, y. Okay. Then what about the length? The length is 1 more than, that means plus 1, twice its breadth, 2 times its breadth. Okay, so 1 more than 2 times its breadth. So length is equal to 2y plus 1. Now it is very clear. If you have length and breadth, how can you connect these two? And area, of course. Yeah, we have area is equal to length into breadth. So area is given, it is 528. Let us substitute. That is, instead of length, let us substitute 2y plus 1 into what is breadth? Y is equal to 528 meters square. Okay, now we can apply distributive law. Remember, when you open the bracket, first you have to multiply with the first term, then y with the second term. Okay, so that is 2y into y plus 1 into y is equal to 528. Or what is 2y into y? It is 2y square plus y. Now 528 on the other side. Let us bring to this side on the left hand side. So it will become minus 528 is equal to 0. So this is a required equation. Once again, the area is given as 528. Let us take breadth as y and the length is 2y plus 1 because it is given that the length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. The rest is clear. Is it okay? Fine. Now let's move to the next question. Second question. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Find the integers. Here also we are just forming the equation. Okay. The product of two consecutive positive integers. So if you take one integer as x, let x be any integer. Okay. So what will be the next integer? Then the successor will be x plus 1. So you know that the successor will be x plus 1. So how can you write the answer? You can write let x comma x plus 1 be any two consecutive integers. Alright. So let x and x plus 1 be any two consecutive integers. You can take x minus 1 and x also. Okay, so let's take like this. Let x comma x plus 1 be any two consecutive integers. And what about the next step? The product of, what do you mean product? It is multiplication. The product of these two consecutive positive integers is given as 306. So according to the condition, that is x into x plus 1 is means equal to given as 306. It's very simple. Let's just open the bracket. X into x is x square plus x into 1 is x. Let us bring this one to this side. Minus 306 is equal to 0, which is a required equation or quadratic equation. So since it is consecutive positive integers, so let us take x and x plus 1. Suppose the question is two consecutive odd numbers. What do you have to take? X and x plus 2. Okay, even if suppose it is two consecutive odd numbers, you can take again y and y plus 2 and so on. Here it is two consecutive positive integers. So that's why we are taking x and x plus 1. Clear? Let's move to the next question. Rohin's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years, 3 years from now, will be 360. Find Rohin's present age. Let's read the question once again. Rohin's mother is 26 years older than him. So this is Rohin. Let us call this as Rohin, and this is his mother. So what is his current age? So let us take Rohin's age as x, present age. Okay, let us take Rohin's present age as x. And what about his mother at that time? Rohin's mother is 26 years older than him. So, mother's age is x plus 26. Now, the second part. The product of their ages 3 years from now. This is important. 3 years from now. What will be Rohin's age? 3 years from now will. So, his age will be x plus 3. And what will be his mother's age? Now she is x plus 26. Then after 3 years, she will be x plus 26 plus 3. Look at here. We add 3 here as well as here. So this will be x plus 3 itself. And what about this? Mother's age will be x plus 29. At this time, there is a connection between these two. What is that? The product of their age in this condition 300, it is given as 360. That is x plus 3 into x plus 29 will be 360. Okay, so how can we write the steps? Let Rohin's present age is equal to x. Then his mother's age is equal to x plus 26. So after 3 years, Rohin's age is equal to what? X plus 3. And what about mom's age? Mom's age is equal to x plus 26 plus 3. That is x plus 29. Therefore, by the condition what you can write? Product is equal to 360. Therefore, x plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360. So, apply distributive law. X into x is x square plus x into 29 is 29x plus x into 3 is 3x plus 3 into 29 is 77. Alright? 29 into, it is 87, I think. It is 87. Okay. So, this is equal to 360, right? So, x into x square, x into 29, 29x, x into 3 is 3x, and 3 into 29 is equal to 87, which is equal to 360. So, let us simplify. Therefore, x square plus 29 plus 3 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. How much is 360 minus 87? So let's see here. 360 minus 87. It is 372. Correct? Therefore, our equation is, this implies x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. This is a required equation. Okay. So always calculate it, right? Okay. So do not commit any mistake. So x into x square, x into 29, 29x, 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 29 is 87. 3 into 29, let's see, 3 nines are 27, 2 remainder, 2 threes are 6 plus 2 is 87. Then 360 minus 87 is 273. So this will be the required equation. Correct? Alright. Let us move to the fourth question. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Find the speed of the train. Okay. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. So, what is the distance to be covered? 480 kilometers. So, distance is equal to 480 kilometers. If the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So, in both cases, distance is same. Find the speed of the train. So, whatever be the speed, the total distance to be covered is 480, isn't it? So, we have the relation between speed and distance and time. So, how will you write the formula? You know that speed is equal to distance by time. Look at here, 8 kilometers per hour. If this is a speed, means what? Kilometers represent distance and hour represent time. So from here it is clear that speed is equal to distance divided by time, isn't it? Alright. So from this you can write time is equal to, take time here, time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, distance divided by speed. Speed is equal to distance by time, or time is equal to distance divided by speed. I have taken t here and speed here. That's all. Okay. Why I have taken like this? Because there is a change in time. Okay. In the first case, if you'll take time as t1, first case of, and the second case, the time will be t2. Let it be there. I'll explain. Okay. So suppose, or let the speed of the train is equal to x. Okay, let the speed of the train is equal to x. Then what will be the time taken? Because you know that in both case the distance covered must be 480. Let the speed of the train is equal to x means the time taken is equal to 480 by x. So consider, if x is the speed, let us assume that t1 is the time taken. Okay. Now, what about the second case? Let speed is equal to speed decreased. See, less means it is decreased. So speed decreased by 8 kilometers per hour. So let speed is equal to x minus 8. Then what will be the time taken? The formula is again distance by speed. But remember, the distance must be same. So time, second time, or t2 is equal to 480 divided by x minus 8. So you must understand this portion. Time is equal to distance by speed. Okay. So whatever be the speed, the distance is 480. This is the distance to be covered. There is no change in that. So time is equal to distance by speed. So first, let us assume that here the speed is equal to x, and for the second time, speed is equal to, it is little less, say x minus 8. So when the speed is x, the time taken will be 480 by x, because distance by speed. Now let us assume that speed is lesser now, that is x minus 8. And what will be the time taken? 480 divided by x minus 8, distance by speed. So we have two times. This is the time taken in the first case, and this is the time taken in the second case. Now tell me, which case will take much or more time? Look at here. Here, this is an ordinary train. Here, less speed is less. Okay, so the time taken will be more. If speed is less, time taken will be more. Here the speed is more, that means it is fast. Okay, the speed is more, so the time taken will be less. So if speed is less means time is more. So let us come back. Here the speed is less, so time is more. So this shows that t2 is greater than t1. Clear? This is very, very important. Here the speed is lesser, so the time taken will be more. Here the speed is much greater, so the time taken will be less. So obviously T2 is greater than T1. Now come back to the question. What is the difference in time? It would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So difference in time is equal to 3. That is, what is T2? Look at here. 480 divided by x minus 8 minus, which is lesser time, first one, that is 480 divided by x. So what is the difference in time? It is equal to 3. So let us simplify this one. So we'll take another word. 480 divided by x minus 8. This is our T2, isn't it? Minus 480 divided by x. This is the first time. So this will be more time because speed is less. The difference in time is 3 hours. So let us take 480 as a common number. So 480 outside. So this will be 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Now go for cross multiplication. 480 into x minus, put a bracket over here because negative sign, x minus 8 divided by x minus 8 into x is equal to 3. How will you simplify? Look at here. This is 480 is common. I took outside. So here 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Right? Go for cross multiplication. 1 into x is x, and here it is minus sign, so put the minus sign here. Here more than one term, so I put the bracket here. 1 into x minus 8 divided by x minus into x is equal to 3. Okay, so this implies 480 into x, open the bracket, x minus of minuses plus 8 divided by x into x, it is x square minus 8x is equal to 3. Okay, that is 480 into, what is x minus x, which will get cancelled. This is 8. Okay, 8 is equal to 3 into, here it is x square minus 8x. Okay, or even you can take 3 to this side. So this is 480 into 8 divided by 3 is equal to x square minus 8x. You can simplify in your own way. That is x square minus 8x is equal to, should we cancel anything here? 4 plus 8, it is 12. So it is divisible by 3. How many times? 160. Okay. So how much is 160 into 8? 1280. Therefore, x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0 is the required equation. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. So just go through the video thoroughly, listen the video and try to do it yourself. And if you have any queries, please write in the message box. Thank you. Thanks for watching.